Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to the gated housing community on the hill known as Stanmore Estates in Red Hills. Enter a modern, well-appointed three-level home with easy access stairs. The entry level opens into the foyer, which can be a great area for art display. The double carport provides an entry to the ground floor of the house, where there is a powder room and helper's quarters with full bathroom. An attractive stairway leads you to the next level of the house that is exquisitely furnished with locally made furniture in the former living room and family room. An ensuite bedroom, office, and well laid out kitchen completes the floor, with the remaining bedrooms up another floor. The second floor provides a wraparound balcony for great panoramic views of the city and ocean. The land area of this house is approximately 11,184 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 85 million or US $552.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.